Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and a backup. Charge the phone to at least 50% or plug it in, and back up photos and contacts so nothing is lost. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and verify you have roughly 1.5 GB free storage. Now open Settings, tap About Phone or Software Update, and select Check for Updates. This starts the process and shows the available package, so you know what you're installing. You tap Download and watch the progress. Download time depends on your Wi-Fi speed, so be patient. Once the package finishes, choose Install Now. This triggers the installer and reboots the phone into recovery mode. Make sure you keep the device plugged in and do not interrupt the process, because stopping it can corrupt the system. During the install, the screen will show progress and several automatic reboots. This is normal, so step away until the phone boots back to the lock screen. You finish by letting the phone complete its final reboot, then unlock it and go to Settings About Phone Software Info to confirm the new version. After that, open the Play Store and update apps so they match the new system. Make sure permissions are intact. If the update failed or the device is stuck, try clearing the cache partition via recovery mode, or connect to a PC and run Smart Switch to reinstall firmware. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.